Meaning of giddy.
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 Giddy. Giddy is an adjective that describes a feeling of dizziness, lightheadedness, or disorientation. It can also refer to a sense of excitement or euphoria that causes someone to feel unsteady or dizzy. The term may also describe a lack of stability or balance, such as in an unstable situation, or a feeling of being overwhelmed or confused. Overall, giddy often conveys a sense of unsteadiness, whether it be physical, emotional, or mental, and is associated with feelings of uncertainty or instability.